present here. I am N.Ramya Devi, working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the case study called Predicting Customer Churn for a Telecom Company.
Hello all, I am Niranjan. Now we have only three objectives. What are predicting churn? Identify the customer who are all likely to leave the telecom service company in near the future. And then our second objective is understand the key factors. What are the key factors? Determine the what drives customers to churn. Our second objective is understand the key factors. What are the key factors? Determine what drives customer to a churn, such as a poor service, high cost or competitions. And our third objective is take a proactive actions. What we can do? We can enable the company to implement the target strategies to retain at a low risk customers, thereby reducing a churn and rate and improving profits.
Actually, I'm going to explain about the datasets in the telecom churn datasets. I'm going to explain customer ID. Customer ID, which is used for an unique of a customer. Tenure is a number of months which the customer has been in the company. Monthly charges. Monthly charges include the how many months that the customer has been paid for it. Total charges. The total charges includes the total amount of bill paid by the customers, and the contract. The contract, which may be an 1 month or else a year of a contract. Payment method. The payment method can be an GPay or else credit card, bank, or that's internet services. The type of internet services include the DSL, fiber optics. Churn. The churn is a binary indicator whether the customer has been churned, yes or no.
Explain step-by-step approach. The first process, data pre-processing. It is what missing handling, missing value, data cleaning, encoding category variables. It includes like contract, payment method, using on-spot, label coding, etc. Next, the future engineering is most crucial project, which include create additional features if needed. Exploratory data analysis. It is churn distribution. The most crucial step is exploratory data analysis. It is churn distribution. We want to analyze the channels of the customers and analyze proportions. Future relationship is we need to predict it. Explore relations between the futures using correlations, box plot, and histograms. Then key influences. We want to know who are the key influences and make them charge monthly charges and make them contract so we can get the technical support. Then third step is model selection. The most important technique, we want to select a perfect model which based on logistic regression, which is a baseline model, and decision tree. It is easy to import. Then random forest reduces overfitting. Then at last we want to boost the gradient. Next, model training and evaluation is most important step. It will strip the data and train the model. And accuracy, precision, recall, F1 structure, we all need to come under the evaluation metrics.
Akash. Now we are going to discuss about hyperparameter tuning. It uses grid search or random search to optimize hyperparameters for best performing model. Next, feature importance. We want to analyze the feature importance to understand the key drivers of churn. Next, deployment. The overall step is to deploy the model, which increase the system for real-time churn prediction and proactive customer retention strategies.
Hello, I am Vimal. I am going to tell about the tools used in this. The programming language used here are Python or R. Library used here are Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Seaborn, XGBoost. The frameworks are TensorFlow.
As discussed for this prediction, so we have taken an input data set which includes customer ID, gender, senior citizen, partner, dependence, tenure, phone service, multiple lines, internet service, and online security. And finally, we are predicting the customer churn. So customer churn means whether the customer is willing to follow the subscription or they are trying to disconnect the subscription. So here we have used binary encoding, one hot encoding, and removed some of the categorological values which is not needed, and then we have converted all this to an churn. So for binary encoding we have like categorological columns like gender and partner, and one hot encoding like a contract and payment method and internet service. So this has been taken as the hot encoding technique for predicting the value. So here we have used the logistic regression model for predicting the output, whether that customer is willing to continue the subscription or not. So here in this, for the output we have four for the classification report includes precision, recall, F1 score and support for each class. So and also the accuracy, a numerical value indicating the performance of the model. So here the metrics explanation, like for example, if it is accuracy, this means the model correctly predicted the target churn for every test sample. If it is precision, measures how many of the predicted positive cases are actually positive. And if it is recall, measures how many of the actual positive cases were correctly predicted. And F1 score is the harmonic mean of precision and recall, balancing both metrics. And support is the number of actual instances in each class in the test data set. If it is class 0, it is non-churns, like and if it is class 1, it is churners. So here we have taken 20 samples in which by applying the logistic regression model, so we have predicted that 8 out of 20 samples, 8 people would have been predicted as a non-churners, so they are willing to disconnect the subscription, and 12 churners were willing to continue the subscription.
Conclusion: the proposed approach enables the telecom company to accurately predict the churn using machine learning, understand the most significant factor driving churn, implement actionable strategies to retain high value customers and reduce the churn state. By leveraging the data driven insight and efficiently using strategies to, the telecom company can improve the customer satisfaction, loyalty and probability. Our ma'am will explain our data set.